I just bought the cheapest battery powered string trimmer on Amazon for $24.89. This thing took 11 days to get here. Let's take a look at this thing and see if it's any good. $24.89. This could be a bargain if it actually works. The string trimmer has a 1.6 star rating on Amazon. It has 16 reviews. So I'm not expecting too much, but after all, it is the cheapest string trimmer that is battery powered that you can buy on Amazon. First review is, it won't cut grass or weeds. You do it faster and better with a pair of scissors. A complete waste of money. And Amazon says, tough luck, it's yours, no returns. So we'll see how that checks out. Once we've done our demo, see if we can actually even return it. Will not cut anything, don't even try, total junk. Worst thing I've ever gotten, the first use and it was broken. It's less, it's less a toy for a kid. I want my money back. Please don't sell it anymore. So as you can tell, this came in a small box. It's probably, what, 15 inches long, maybe 8 inches wide. And it is the Weijiang ultra lightweight, rechargeable, super powerful. We've got instructions. We might need to follow this. Yep, they're the zip ties. They are just generic red zip ties. Handle, base. What's that do? I guess that's how you turn it on. There's no trigger. It's nice that it comes with a rechargeable cable. It's not like a USB-C or anything. It's something else. You know, so you can hedge your lawn or something. And isn't this cute? It's kind of like a toy. That's maybe what, 1, 2, maybe like a 3.5, 4-inch radius. Quite small. And then we got our extendable handle. Now I'm 6'1", so this might be a little bit difficult to use, this device, so let's put it together. Like that. I think that was the right way. I'll put this one in. Let's go use it. Here, this is some new grass. See if we can get through it. So we have to turn this on down here. Cuts. It does actually string trim, but as soon as you get a little bit deeper into that grass, maybe anything more than an inch, it just bogs down and doesn't do anything. You kind of have to do it little passes there. And that was some new grass. Let's go and try something a little bit thicker and see if it can actually do anything, because it's going to take a long time. And it's not heavy. Flimsy. I mean, I'm not going to be able to do an entire yard like this. I used to have a gas weed eater and I used to have to fill it up halfway through doing some thick brush. So this thing here is not going to be doing that. But if you've got a small yard, I mean, it's going to take you a long time. You may as well just buy a corded one or a cheap 18-volt model. It's going to do much better job than this. So let's go and try out something else. So I would run my typical weed eater into a little bush like this and cut this, whatever this is that's growing weed. So let's see if this thing can take it down. I took that first one down, not terrible. Let's try again. You can't even cut through one piece of grass. Look, it's dying. There were a few reviewers who said they tried to return the string trimmer and couldn't, so I put in a message to return this and it was accepted. Here you can see the proof, and the refund was issued, and I don't actually need to return the string trimmer, so I'll probably be throwing it in the trash, but just to show you that it can be returned after being used. I'm not going to sit here and say that this does not work, because it does. I'm going to agree with some of the reviews where it says it's more of a toy. The reviews where it says it doesn't work, I have proof that it does work. But there we have it. This is the cheapest string trimmer on Amazon. It does work, but it's a piece of junk.